Euclid, a new European space telescope, is awaiting its launch scheduled for the next year. Therefore, it is undergoing final testing these days. The telescope spent the last month in a special vacuum chamber which is located in Cannes, France, and belongs to the Thales Alenia Space Company. In order to simulate vacuum of space, all the air inside the chamber was pumped out. In addition, it is possible to significantly change the temperature inside the chamber, which also corresponds to conditions the telescope will experience during its mission. The testing inside the chamber took a month, and its massive door could have been finally opened recently. The individual systems of the Euclid telescope had been tested separately in the past. This time, however, since the telescope had been completed, engineers had to verify whether all its systems work with each other. It may happen that even if the individual systems work flawlessly, they may interfere with each other or may not understand each other from an electronic point of view. This is why fully integrated hardware testing is essential. Moreover, the tests in the vacuum chamber verified that all the systems work properly in conditions to which they will be exposed during their operation. The 2-ton Euclid telescope is scheduled to launch on a Falcon 9 rocket next year. It will be placed in an orbit around the L2 Lagrange point of the Sun-Earth system. It will be observing the universe in visible and infrared spectra during its 6-year mission. The main focus of its 1.2-meter diameter primary mirror will be distant galaxies. Scientists expect that it could map more than 2 billion of them in roughly a third of the entire sky. Acquired data will help the scientists to better understand the origin and development of the universe. Euclid is mainly intended to help with the study of dark energy and dark matter, which make up almost 95% of the universe. The issue with them is that although we know they are there, we cannot study them directly. Despite the fact we are not able to observe dark matter, its presence has a gravitational influence on galaxies. Thanks to that, scientists can map its distribution in space. With the help of the Euclid European Space Telescope, it will be possible to understand this unique phenomenon much better. After a record-breaking 908 days in orbit, the X-37B space shuttle, which operates under control of the US Space Force, returned to Earth on November 12. Thus, the OTV-6 mission ended with its landing on a runway in Florida. The mini-shuttle had been testing unspecified technologies during its mission. On November 11th, the Long March 6A rocket launched from the Taiwan Satellite Launch Center. It delivered Yunhai 3 satellite into orbit. It should be used to study the Earth's atmosphere and oceans, but it is not possible to rule out its military purpose. According to US radar observations, the upper stage of the used launcher disintegrated into more than 50 pieces before re-entering the atmosphere. Thank you for watching the next episode of Spaceflight News. You can expect 6 spaceflight news videos each week on our channel, so subscribe in order to not miss any of them.